So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in another exciting video. I'm back, and also guys, I just joined it off me and I see this ocean egg release 6 days. I'm so excited. Okay, it says the sea level is rising. Get fossil eggs before they're replaced. Teleport to the nursery. I think you should check the nursery because if anything has changed, I just joined like a few minutes ago and what? What happened? Okay, let's teleport again. Okay, let's see if anything has changed. I see everything is normal. Like, oh, we have the fossil eggs. I have only do have. I bought 2 before. I have 4 right now. I think it's fine. Okay. Guys, can you see this? Ocean egg. Next egg. Ocean. Let's see if anything is happening outside. Because last time the fossil egg update, I wasn't playing then. I just learned like, let's just confirm. Oh, I got my login streak here. Okay, so I just joined like 80 days ago, and the fossil egg, there's like a secret place with a helicopter and things. Oh wow, we have like this seaweed and what is this? Yeah, more seaweed. I don't know what you call those. Oh, we have a starfish, more seaweed. Okay, so the whole nursery is covered with these things. Oh, a star. Ocean again 60. Guys, look the crab. I need a fly pet out. I also have a starfish. I think I have the perfect thing. Starfish. Okay. The problem is not flyable or rideable, so let's just take out the fly pet. And let's just see what is up there. Where my starfish's cousin or brother or whatever. Okay, we have a crab, guys. The crab is very scary. Actually a lot scary. The frostbite has its tail, so I couldn't like see clearly. Okay, so this is a crab. It's very big. Oh, okay. So this one looks like while flying. Guys, comment down below if you think that another starfish is coming. Okay, no good. We have the banner, and guys, also the shark is confirmed. The shark is coming, and I think the dolphin is gonna come too, and a seahorse. I'm gonna move into the details also. So some things have changed, but I don't see like a secret spot like last time we were used to, like, what do you call it? Look for the hints and stuff. Yeah, I don't see any spot like that. Wait, it said the sea level's rising, guys. Wait a second. The pet aware update. Is there something under here? Okay. Anything? Literally anything? Okay. I think we should check in the pet shop as well. So if there are like any type of changes or something like that. Because I'm not sure if there's like a secret place yet or not. By the way, I'm in a private server. I usually do my videos in a private server. Because, yeah, I just do. Now what? Come on, seriously, are you kidding me? Why does it always have to glitch when I'm making a video? Okay. Weird gifts. Let's check out the pet shop. If there's... Okay, let's just teleport there. I'm very impatient. Oh. Okay. What do we have here? I don't see anything here. Nothing sus. I don't know why I just said that. Sus. Okay, everything is fine. Oh, we have the moon. Okay. So guys, now let's look at the pictures where which pets are coming in the the ocean egg update. Let's look at those. So guys, it is confirmed that 16th of April, Friday, fossil eggs will be replaced by the ocean eggs. So we just saw this banner, we saw a flying starfish, a flying crab in its fly form. And guys, there's one thing I'm confused about, that like I also said in the previous clip, that what is going to be the place for the, like, what do you call it, the ocean pets? Because the previous time the fossil eggs has, like, cave thing. I don't know what you call it, but it's like a helicopter used to search for bones and stuff like that. I don't know what ocean egg is going to be. To adopt me also said that the sea level is rising. It could be something like that. I think there's a pretty high chance that Adopt Me is going to flood the map. I'm not sure. And also this is going to be a live update. Also guys, I'm confused that the banner yesterday I saw it was 6 days and today is saying also 6 days. I mean, why? It should be like 5 days. I guess it could be a time zone difference, something like that. So yeah. Okay, now the pets. Okay guys, so this is the crab. This is its snow potion form. I feel like it's super cute. And it's using its claws for something, and I feel like the crab is going to be an ultra rare because I think it's perfectly fit to be an ultra rare. It has like, it's not fit to be a common, uncommon, or like a legendary. I'm pretty sure of that. It's one opinion. I could be 100% totally wrong, but yeah, I think it's going to be an ultra rare. We also have a seahorse, which is super duper cute, and you guys can see it kind of looks like golden. Comment down below if you think it's going to be a golden seahorse and has like its little horn, its whiskers, and its wings. I don't know why it has wings, but that's okay, I guess. It's super cute, and I think it's going to be an ultra rare because it's perfect for me. This is the shark. I'm pretty sure this is going to be legendary, and the dolphin. I really hope it's the dolphin. And guys, I'm confused that how is the shark swimming on its own? Guys, if you have been playing Adopt Me for a while, you guys know that there was like a pool party area before, which Adopt Me removed this fall update with the and replaced it with the hot spring, and that's kind of boring. I feel like the pool party was a lot more creative and fun. Yeah. And comment down below if you think that is going to come back. And I think there's going to be like a separate task for the ocean pets like water or something like swimming. Yeah. And this is a picture of the shark from close up. It's super duper cute. And guys, this is the ocean egg. It's confirmed that this is the ocean egg. Adopt Me has said, it says that this is the one. As like moving seaweed around it, and we have a starfish which is also a moving piece. Adopt Me is definitely getting a lot better at its like, what do you call it, animations and things like that. Yeah, it's very nice. I love the ocean egg. It's a lot more nicer than the fossil and not more bright, and I love it. So guys, this is it for the video. If you enjoyed, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and one more thing I would like to say is I would like to give a shout out to my friend Mariam. Her username is CHA123. So shout out to Mariam, and if you enjoyed, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the time of the update. So till then, bye.